This is Heroes Assembly. Edansi Africa, who is my name. Sorry. The grandson of all revolutionary ancestors. I would like to call the attention of my fellow African brothers and sisters to something I've observed. And majority of us are not taking this into consideration. The way and manner in which Chinese are gradually taking over our land, Africa as a whole, Nigeria inclusive. I discovered that Chinese are becoming more populated here in Africa than we could ever imagine. And this makes me wonder, what exactly are they looking for? What are the Chinese looking for? When did we actually gain independence from foreign bodies that are occupying our lands, now that we now have another foreign body in the name of China taking over our land? And there are some things I have discovered that has made China to choose Africa as a suitable place for conquer. I call it conquer because they won't come as if they want to conquer us in the first place, just like the British does. They came in with their missionary stuff. Before we know it, our forefathers were enslaved. Now Chinese are here. One thing I discovered is that China is overpopulated. We are talking about a country with over 2 billion people in just a country. Nigeria is the most populous black nation on planet Earth, yet we are around 2 million. I'm not talking about a country with over 2 billion. The Chinese are looking for places that are vacant, fallow land, then they begin to ship out their unwanted populations down here. They want to depopulate their country, they populate Africa. Knowing fully well that these people are technologically advanced than we are here in Africa. It will only be a matter of time before they begin to have interest in other things. And if this peradventure lead to any civil war whatsoever, they will come down with their military force on us. We need to be very, very careful. That is the first reason that I observe that they are here. Another reason that I feel and deem it fit that makes them to come here is cheap labor. Think of it. Africa as a whole, taking Nigeria for example, we don't have minimum wage that foreign companies must pay our citizens that are working under their companies. We don't have it. Therefore, they didn't fit to come here, establish companies, and begin to pay them the amount they can't even pay Nigerians that are working in the same company in China. There's a need for us to pay attention to all these things. Another thing that the Chinese are interested in is our resources. Come to think of it, Chinese don't give grants, they give loans. And they are giving loans to poor countries more than they can repay. Take note of this. They are giving loans to poor countries more than these countries. They are giving loans to poor countries more than these countries can repay. And on the contract of their loan, they have it that if you default in paying back this loan, we will take over your copper mine, gold mine, oil well, and what have you. Recently, I heard that a country, if it's not Ethiopia or Kenya, defaulted in the payment of the loan, and Chinese have taken over some part of the country. This brings us back to our country, Nigeria. The loans we continue to take from these people. What are the plans on ground to repay them? Won't it be a case of we defaulting and China officially taking over our country? Colonization in the making. is quite unfortunate. It's quite unfortunate. The Chinese are now making us so dependent on them to the extent whereby colonizing us will be so easy. Will be so easy when we Africa be genuinely free as a nation. When will Nigeria be free? When will the entire Africa be free? How long ago were the white chased away from this land? On the freedom of Africa, someone like Thomas Sankara died. On the freedom of Africa, someone like Patrice Lumumba died. Steve Biko and the likes. Even Marcus Garvey died fighting for the freedom of Africa. But here we are today. The Chinese are already putting up plans to take over our land. And all our government are concerned about, all over Africa, all our government are concerned about is how they will enrich themselves today, not thinking about the future of our country. Most African leaders can't see beyond today, and the Chinese are creeping in with loans. They are creeping in with loans. They are not giving grants, they are giving us loan. And on the loan contract, it is stated clearly that if you default, we take over certain aspect of your country. We need to take note of this before we become slaves in our own land. It is easier to be a slave in a foreign land, but much more difficult to be a slave in our own land. There's a need for our government and everyone involved in the affairs of running the country to take note of this. We need to be very, very careful. This is just my observation and advice to all those with ears. This is just it for you. Until I come your way next time, Africa Always is my name. Please subscribe to our channel if you are yet to subscribe, and don't forget to share with friends. Until I come your way once again, peace.